Di video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kali ini, kita akan membahas tentang penggunaan kata across. Across artinya di seberang atau menyeberang. Dalam kalimat bahasa Inggris, kata across bisa berfungsi sebagai adverb atau kata keterangan, juga bisa berfungsi sebagai preposition atau kata depan. Alright, yang pertama kita bahas yaitu penggunaan across sebagai adverb atau kata keterangan. Maknanya yaitu di seberang. Contoh kalimatnya, She walked across the road. She walked across the road. Dia berjalan di seberang jalan. They are building a new bridge across the river. They are building a new bridge across the river. Mereka sedang membangun jembatan baru di seberang sungai. When I reached the river, I simply swam across. When I reached the river, I simply swam across. Ketika saya sampai di sungai, saya berenang menyeberanginya. He folded his arms across his chest. He folded his arms across his chest. Dia melipat tangannya di depan dada. Her books and clothes were packed into chests and shipped across to Kalimantan. Her books and clothes were packed into chests and shipped across to Kalimantan. Buku dan pakaiannya dikemas ke dalam peti dan dikirim ke Kalimantan. Their hoofs threw up clouds of earth as they galloped across the field. Their hoofs threw up clouds of earth as they galloped across the field. Kuku mereka mengeluarkan gumpalan tanah saat mereka berlari melintasi lapangan. On the eastern horizon, a huge cloud of smoke from burning oil tanks stretched across the sky. On the eastern horizon, a huge cloud of smoke from burning oil tanks stretched across the sky. Di ufuk timur, awan asap besar dari tangki minyak yang terbakar membentang di langit. Baiklah, sekarang kita beralih ke penggunaan across sebagai preposition. Makna across sebagai preposition yaitu on the opposite side of, atau di sisi berlawanan. Contohnya, The library is just across the road. The library is just across the road. Perpustakaannya berada tepat di seberang jalan. Voting took place peacefully across most of the country. Voting took place peacefully across most of the country. Pemungutan suara berlangsung dengan damai di sebagian besar negara. There is a small wood just across the river. There is a small wood just across the river. Ada sebuah kayu kecil di seberang sungai. Across the valley, troops were gathering. Across the valley, troops were gathering. Di sebelah lembah, pasukan berkumpul. Across the world, people are praying for peace. Across the world, people are praying for peace. Di seluruh dunia, orang-orang berdoa untuk perdamaian. My school is just across the road from where I live. My school is just across the road from where I live. Sekolah saya berada tepat di seberang jalan tempat saya tinggal. His workshop is just across the yard. His workshop is just across the yard. Bengkelnya berada tepat di seberang halaman. We walked across the bridge. We walked across the bridge. Kami berjalan melintasi jembatan. She was sitting across the aisle. She was sitting across the aisle. Dia duduk di seberang lorong. He opened a store across the street from the theater. He opened a store across the street from the theater. Dia membuka toko di seberang jalan dari teater. Over 300,000 refugees fled across the border. Over 300,000 refugees fled across the border. Lebih dari 300.000 pengungsi melarikan diri melintasi perbatasan. Dalam American English, kita menggunakan frasa across from untuk merujuk kepada orang atau objek yang berlawanan atau berada di sisi lain. Contohnya, She opened coffee shops across the city and they are very successful. She opened coffee shops across the city and they are very successful. Dia membuka kedai kopi di seluruh kota dan kedainya sangat sukses. Across the country, people are coming out to vote for a new president. Across the country, people are coming out to vote for a new president. Di seluruh negeri, orang-orang keluar untuk memilih presiden yang baru. Kita juga menggunakan kata across untuk merujuk pada lebar atau pengukuran diagonal suatu benda, seperti the size of a television screen is measured from the higher corner of one side to the lower corner of the other side. That is, from one corner across to the opposite corner. The size of a television screen is measured from the higher corner of one side to the lower corner of the other side. That is, from one corner across to the opposite corner. Ukuran layar televisi diukur dari sudut yang lebih tinggi dari satu sisi ke sudut yang lebih rendah di sisi yang lain, yaitu dari sudut satu ke sudut yang berlawanan. Across juga diletakkan setelah pengukuran atau measurement ketika kita berbicara tentang diameter atau lebar, seperti the building is 157 meters long, 92 meters across, and the facade is 68 meters wide. The building is 157 meters long, 92 meters across, and the facade is 68 meters wide. Bangunan ini memiliki panjang 157 meter, lebar 92 meter, dan lebar muka bangunan 68 meter. Berikut beberapa kesalahan dalam menggunakan kata across. Yang pertama, saat sesuatu berpindah dari sisi satu ke sisi lain, saat dikelilingi oleh sesuatu, kita menggunakan through, bukan across. Sekali lagi, kita menggunakan through, bukan across. Seperti, we cycled through a number of small villages. We cycled through a number of small villages. Kami bersepeda melewati sejumlah desa kecil. Jadi kalimatnya bukan we cycled across a number of small villages. Kedua yaitu, when we talk about something extending or moving from one side to another, we use across, not on. Atau ketika kita berbicara tentang sesuatu yang meluas atau bergerak dari satu sisi ke sisi yang lain, kita menggunakan across, bukan on. Contohnya, the papers were spread across the table. The papers were spread across the table. Kertas-kertas itu tersebar di seluruh meja. Jadi kalimatnya bukan the papers were spread on the table. Kesalahan yang ketiga yaitu, we don't use through when we are talking about periods of time from start to finish, and we mention a specific number of days, week, and etc. Atau kita tidak menggunakan kata through ketika kita berbicara tentang periode waktu dari awal sampai akhir dan menyebutkan jumlah hari atau pekan tertentu, seperti we haven't seen each other much over the last 4 years. We haven't seen each other much over the last 4 years. Kami jarang bertemu selama 4 tahun terakhir. Jadi kalimatnya bukan we haven't seen each other much through the last 4 years. Apalagi kalau kalimatnya we haven't seen each other much across the last 4 years. Karena itu merupakan penggunaan across dan penggunaan through yang salah. Jadi penggunaan yang benar di kalimat ini adalah over, kata over. Baiklah, sampai di sini video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris yang membahas tentang penggunaan kata across kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat and thank you for watching.